Every morning, things begin to wind you up and keep winding you up throughout the day, so that by bedtime, you can be very wound up indeed. Take the time to relax with a mellow, malty Horlicks. Horlicks is a natural food drink, soothing, satisfying. The key to relaxing into sleep every night is Horlicks, malted or new chocolate malted.
Top it! T-shirts are all the rage, and now Music Vision bring you in great rock designs, wind cheaters and singlets. Check out these latest releases: Culture Club, Quiet Riot, Australian Crawl, Madness, Angry Anderson. Available at all good record outlets.
No, it's the way they feel.
It could be the colours. Or it could be the way they feel. But it's certainly the way they look. New colour magic from Razza Matazz. The only thing better than the colours is the way they feel.